Children develop a fear for math because they are not able to relate to what the teacher is telling them. Math Buddy is a program which combines the power of hands-on activity-based learning with a virtual interactive software.
We work with the teachers, with the school, ultimately so that kids do not fear math. Then automatically the results will come.
If we can get them to do activities, they start loving what they are doing. Software also helps in this process because it's not only visualization of the concepts, but gamification. There is so much excitement, there is a sense of discovery.
The general feedback of teachers is very positive. Children enjoy it, especially when it's hands-on. They're very excited to go into the Math Buddy lab.
Max Buddy is a very good better for a kid, and we enjoyed that Max Buddy so much.
When we have taken the pre-assessment, the result was 35 to 40%. After the post-assessment, the average result is 80%. The phobia of the maths has been removed.